Welcome to this YouTube channel, and in today's video tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to download YouTube videos. As you all know, it is not possible for you or for us to download YouTube videos. And in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you step by step to download YouTube videos, because even if you want to download YouTube videos, YouTube doesn't have a feature to download videos, and the only features you have there to download is going to be saved inside the YouTube YouTube app. So it's not going to save into your phone gallery. So in this tutorial I will show you how to download YouTube videos into your phone gallery, so that you can get access to it whenever you want to play it, even though you don't have data. And for us to do this, once again, please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video and share this video with your friends, and you can also comment down below whatever suggestion you have. I'm here to answer your questions. So the first step you need to do, you need to go over to the YouTube application and search the video that you want to download. So in this case, let me search on this. Okay, let's say I want to download this particular video on this YouTube channel, on my YouTube channel. All I need to do is to click on the video. So once you click on the video, you locate share button. You have to locate the share button and click on the share button. Then it will something like this, it will open. So you copy it, and the first thing you need to do, the second thing is to download the app. The app is called vidmates. You can just go over to your Google and type in vidmates. You just type in vidmates download, or download vidmate apk. Once you click on the, let me type in download vidmate apk, and you go over to their official sites. So you click on download. Once you have successfully downloaded vidmates, you go over to the vidmates inside your phone, and you paste that link you copy from the YouTube. You paste it inside the search bar and you click on the searched. So it will open like this. Then the next thing you need to do is to click here. You are going to see a button like this. You click on this button, and once you click on this button, you wait for it to open. And for here you can select the type, the video format. If you like, you choose 360p pixel, or if you like, you choose 720 pixel HD. So it's late for you. Then you click on download. You got it. You click on download here. Click on download, and your video will be downloaded. And the one good thing about this, you can also go over to the next video and do the same thing. And both of them will be downloaded. And if you want to know that the videos are downloaded from here, you can check it here. And maybe if you want to post it, the download, I'm coming. You click on here, then you can post it here. You can post the download, you can post them, right? Or you can click on this place and delete them. If you don't want to download them anymore, you can delete them. So that is how to download YouTube videos using vidmates. And the second way of you to download YouTube video is to come over, after you might have copied the link here from the YouTube app application. Then you come over to your browser. I recommend you using a Chrome browser. If you come back to Chrome browser, you type in en.savefrom.net. You see, this is the URL, en.savefrom.net. You type in this URL and copy the URL. Paste the URL you copy from the YouTube here, and it will automatically generate the video. And then you select the type, the video format that you want to download, any format that you like. Then you click on download here, and your video will download into your phone gallery. So that is how to download videos from YouTube. I think this video solve a problem. Please, if you like this video, and maybe if this video is helpful, please, you can you can reciprocate by subscribing to this YouTube channel and like this video, and also share with your friends and family. And thank you very much.